Hey there, and welcome back to my little corner on the internet where I like to talk about some witchy shit and some health shit. Pardon me if it's a little bit quieter and if I'm a little bit closer. I woke up and am a fair amount of pain and have not been able to go back to sleep, and it's still dark out. So I figured I might as well get my day started, I hope you guys are doing well. And let's get ready for today's Divination affirmation. Today's is, I can clearly see the blessings around me. It's kind of hard to see that sometimes when you watch the news or you see that the states where you have called home are on fire. People are evacuating. People are not wearing their masks. We have a global pandemic that a lot of people aren't taking seriously. I'm among the vulnerable, so it feels like a personal attack sometimes. But there's still good. There's still good around. It can be hard to find. Your blessings can be disguised as challenges. So you may not see them as being blessings per se, but a lot of our blessings are learning opportunities too. So a lot of us may feel uncomfortable when it comes to learning, to new things, to new experiences, to uncomfortable experiences. But let's have a hit. And for my interpretation of this, it dawned on me the other day that it took the world falling apart, being on fire, pandemics, people dying everywhere, people protesting, police officers killing black and brown people. It took all of this for me to finally get my health care. And I don't mean to make light of anybody else's struggles. I've been waiting for healthcare to address a lot of my symptoms for years. So I'm getting surgery done, an outpatient surgery done later on this month. Depending on when you watch this. I also have an MRI, a tilt table test, and pre-op, and then meet with my anesthesiologist. It's like, oh my gosh, it took a global pandemic and the world basically being a dumpster fire at times for me to get healthcare. I don't know why it took that to get healthcare for me, but I'm grateful. It is a blessing. And we got a call yesterday. We need a call back on Monday. To have my partner designated as my primary caregiver through the VA system, because my health continues to go downhill. I don't think it's anything that I can ever come back from. I can't have the life that I had like 5 years ago, health-wise. So him being designated as my caregiver will lighten our load a little bit. Then I can actually maybe be able to get to my appointments, because right now it's really hard for me to drive by myself anywhere, and he works full-time, fortunately, for a cannabis company, so my medication is like subsidized, which is awesome, but it still doesn't take away my pain. I have been in about a level 7 pain for a week. And then with my OBGYN pain, she didn't know the term fupa. Yeah, sit with that for a second, that my OBGYN surgeon doesn't know the term fupa. And that describes right where it feels like I'm being stabbed. So, I know this might be a little TMI, but I know I'm not the only one dealing with all this stuff. So I just wanted to, my main purpose is to share, to to let other people know that they're not alone. So, again, as always, thank you so much for joining me on my journey of self-discovery and health. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I'll keep you updated. So hit that bell if you want, because I'm gonna try and make these regular, but who knows with my health. So have a good day, take care of yourselves, and find the blessings in life.